Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the screen brightness on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. There's two ways to change the brightness, and you can only do this in handheld mode. First, hold down the home button to access the quick settings, and then navigate to the brightness slider and move left or right on it to change it. You can also toggle automatic brightness as well if you wanted. The other way to change this is to open the system settings, then move down to screen brightness, and the same options can be changed here, the slider and the automatic brightness toggle. That's how to change the screen brightness on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.